Hi everyone, setting a text box perfectly in the center of a page ensures your document looks professional and balanced. Here is the most precise way to align it both horizontal and vertically. So Microsoft Word has built-in alignment tools that snaps object to the exact center of the page. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the text box and draw a text box. Write the desired text and now select the tags and go to the shape format and click on the align text and click on the middle. So click on the shape format and click on the align and click align to the page. First you need to ensure that, and after that again go to the align and make it align middle, and here you can see that your text box perfectly centered in the page. So if you want to verify the exact coordinates, use the layout dialog box. For this you need to click the text box and right click and click on the more layout options. So in the horizontal, click on the alignment and click on the centered, and in the vertical alignment you need to click on this and make it centered and click OK to apply, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily set text box perfectly in the middle of the page in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.